Yes, students, please join fast. We took a break. Yes, students, please join fast. You said you will attend the class in continuation. So, till now, only 12 participants. Should we continue? Yes, students, should we continue? Because half strength is there. Ask your friends whether they are joining or not. We were discussing this ADC instruction. ADC add with carry. क्लियर? उससे पहले हमने पढ़ा था add instruction ADD, add register contents with accumulator content and store the result in accumulator. Clear? Then add with carry. This we have discussed very nicely, and I think you understood the concept. So examples are ADC B or ADC M. Add with carry register B data with register A and store the result in A. ADC M, M is always pointed by the address which is specified by HL register pair. ADC M. Then next instruction, write down in your copy, it is ADI, add immediate to accumulator, and the flag status will be changed in all the arithmetic instructions. So you have to, whenever a theoretical explanation is asked, you have to mention all these points. So arithmetic instructions, ADI, add immediate to accumulator. The 8-bit data is added to the contents of accumulator. But what is the operand over here? Operand क्या है? Operand is the 8-bit data. Clear? You can write in your copy. So add immediate to accumulator. The 8-bit data is added to the contents of accumulator. And the result is again stored in accumulator. All flags are modified to reflect the result of the addition. All flags are modified to reflect the result of addition. ADI 45hex is the example. So what will happen? Please reply in the chat box. ADI 45hex के बाद क्या होगा after writing this instruction? Please write down in the chat box. After writing this instruction, A is, assume any data in A, na? Assume any data in A. So what will be the result after ADI instruction? Here the operand means no one is replying. Are you interested in the class or not? Yes, Gunjan, Harshita, Harita, Hemu, Kiran, Kishan, Komal, Naman, Priyanshi, Ronak, Shreya, Vishwendraditya. What will be the answer? Write down the answer. सिर्फ yes लिखने से कुछ नहीं होगा. Write down the answer. And where the result will be stored? Okay. And what will be the contents of flags? Will they be changed or not? Next instruction. No, flag register will be changed. Contents of flag register after addition operation, after all the arithmetic operation, it will be changed. So write down next instruction. It's ACI. So next instruction, add immediate to accumulator with carry. You wrote in your copy ACI 8-bit data. Add immediate to accumulator with carry. हमने सबसे पहले instruction पढ़ा था add, that was a normal addition. Then we studied ADC, add with carry. Then we studied next instruction ADI, add immediate to accumulator. See, first instruction add, normal addition. Second instruction add with carry. Third instruction add with the operand data which is present in the instruction. Clear? Pakshik Kuthari. Then we studied ACI, add immediate to accumulator with carry. पहले वाला इंस्ट्रक्शन क्या था तुम्हारा ADI, add immediate to accumulator. 8-bit data is present here. Now add immediate only, but to accumulator with carry. Clear? ACI. ठीक है? All flags are modified to reflect the result of the addition. The result is stored in accumulator. ACI 45x. अब इसका एडिशन मुझे चैट बॉक्स में रिप्लाई करके दो, जैसे मैंने तुम्हें समझाया था. ADC instruction. Explain me this instruction in the chat box. I am waiting. Write down. Very good. What is 1 in this? Status of carry flag. Clear? Yes, very good. So next instruction, write down next, very important instruction and very meaningful also and little bit difficult to understand. So write down DAD, dad instruction, and very easy to remember dad. क्या करता है ये इंस्ट्रक्शन, समझ में आया? Add register pair to HL. This is the only instruction where directly we can add or perform operation in 16-bit data. Otherwise, all the instructions are related for only 8-bit data operation. So DAD is the opcode and operands क्या है इसमें? Register pair. See how many register pair are required? 2. Okay, but here we are having only one operand. You can see it very easily. Only register pair is written, not pairs. So a single register pair you have to write, and the other second input data is always stored in register pair HL. Add register pair to HL pair. Clear? बाकी सारे arithmetic instructions में क्या था? Second operand was your accumulator, which is never mentioned in the operands. Here again the second operand is your HL register pair, which is not mentioned in the operand of the instruction. So your example here is shown DAD B. What it means? Add the contents of register pair BC to register pair HL, and where the result will be stored in this instruction? Result कहाँ store होगा? HL pair. Good. So the result is stored in HL pair. Very good. So the 16-bit contents of register pair are added to the contents of HL pair. The result is stored in HL pair. If the result is larger than 16-bit, then CY is set. Very important point. Very important point. If the result is larger than 16-bit, then carry flag is set. Because बाकी वो result कहाँ store करेगा फिर? There is no space, so carry flag is set. Avichal waiting. I have permitted. So DAD B instruction. Okay. So I am giving one small assignment. DAD D instruction I am using. Take HL pair data as A123 hex. Clear? And D data as, now reply me for the answer. Do it fast. Aarti Sharma. Yes, I am waiting for your answers, students. Getting my question? Okay, question is written in your chat box. I have to perform dat D instruction. I have explained dat D instruction. Okay, all the contents I have given, just give me the result. Dat D means D के साथ कौन सा रजिस्टर पेयर होता है? D is combined with E. Yes. So what I will do, I will add DE register data with HL pair and the result will be stored in again HL pair. ओके तो फर्स्ट डेटा इसमें एडिशन कैसे होगा? HL में आएगा तुम्हारा डेटा प्लीज परफॉर्म द एडिशन ओवर हियर. So what will be the addition over here? HL plus DE. And the result will be stored. So this is the final operation which will be performed over here. And see, very important thing is this. क्या समझ में आया? Which flag register will be changed over here? We are writing no other flags are changed. It means yes, very true. Only carry flag will change. Okay, so this you have to remember over here. Only carry flag will be changed. Other flags will not change. So got this instruction. We will perform some programming also. So now what you have to do, see, I have prepared a Google Classroom. You have to write small programs, have a screenshot and share those programs in the Google Classroom which you have joined. And I think few students are remaining till now to join the Google Classroom of MPI subject. So please, all of you join this class. So now you have to write small programs. So write down first program question in your copy. Ayushi Sony is waiting. So write down program in your copy. Write a program to transfer 16-bit number of BC pair into DE pair. So now the programs will be based on the instructions which we have studied till now. Okay, and we are studying very important part of MPI, that is programming. So first, a very simple program, write an arithmetic logical program or assembly language program ALP to transfer 16-bit number of BC pair into DE pair. तो अब इसमें क्या करेंगे हम? ऐसे करते हम 4 क्वेश्चंस एक साथ लिख लेते हैं, फिर चारों प्रोग्राम्स आप लिखोगे एंड देन यू हैव टू अपलोड इट इन गूगल क्लासरूम और have share your screenshot you can take. Second program, write a program to transfer 8-bit number. Is it clearly audible to all? Write a program to transfer 8-bit number present in memory location 7000 hex into register C. एक प्रोग्राम लिख लिया, ठीक है। दूसरा क्वेश्चन मैंने बता दिया तुमको। थर्ड क्वेश्चन, राइट अ प्रोग्राम टू ट्रांसफर डेटा of register L into memory location. Write a program to transfer data of register L into memory location having address A12B hex. This is the address given to you. ठीक है। Next program, write a program to transfer 8-bit data from memory location Are you writing it or not, students? Because you have to simplify these programs. Yes, I'm waiting for the reply. Yes, students, please reply. Is it audible? So you are writing the questions or not? कौन सी कंपनी की लगाई? Write a program to transfer 8-bit data from memory location 6000 hex into register H by 2 to 3 different ways. So these are the 4 programs. Start writing in the chat box. Also, if you know, you can write. Start simplifying. बहुत इजी छोटे छोटे प्रोग्राम्स है। फर्स्ट प्रोग्राम में 16-बिट नंबर BC पेयर से DE पेयर में शिफ्ट करना है सिर्फ। यू विल यूज डेटा ट्रांसफर इंस्ट्रक्शन। शो करना. So how we will write the first program? How we will write the first program? जैसे डेटा ट्रांसफर करना है तो which instruction I will use? A very poor response from the class. The next whole unit is based on we don't want to write programs. Yes, students. Today we will stop our class here only. We will discuss in next class. I think you are not interested to study today.